channel. This is Kate. I hope you all are doing great so far. So today's video is going to be a fall shower pamper routine. You guys seem to love such type of videos, so I am going to be getting more of these. Also, today's video will be having a lot of DIY products that you can try out for yourselves at home. So if you are interested, let's begin. So I'm starting by rinsing my hair and directly jumping with a DIY hair mask today. This is a pumpkin hair mask. It is so good for your hair. So to begin with this hair mask, I am simply starting by cutting a pumpkin and then I'm just going to grind it into a fine paste, into a fine puree. So I'm going in with 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of yogurt. And I'm gonna mix all the ingredients together into a fine paste. So you should have something this way. It's not too thick nor too thin. And I'm gonna apply this all over my hair, including my scalp. Also, did you guys know that pumpkin is actually really good for the hair? It's full of essential fatty acids and vitamins A, C and E, which helps to increase moisture. It's full of minerals like potassium and zinc. Potassium balances the scalp's pH levels for strong hair, and it's a perfect DIY deep conditioning hair mask. So if you are looking for a hair mask that leaves your hair soft and smooth instantly, this is your DIY. I mean, you need to try this. Leaving the hair mask on, I am grabbing a clean washcloth. So I got a bundle of these on Amazon. I will link it down since some of you wanted the links, so I'll definitely link it in the description box. And then I'm going in with this Evia's cinnamon whipped soap. It lathers well and smells like freshly baked cinnamon roll, like seriously, and it also has a grainy texture because of cinnamon, and that helps remove the layers of dead skin and leaves the skin looking plump and more toned. I am going to quickly rinse the hair mask off and use a shampoo. Then I'm going in with a body scrub. This one is a homemade pumpkin body scrub, and I personally love this so much. For this DIY pumpkin body scrub, I used 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 teaspoons pumpkin spice, and 7 drops of vanilla oil. If you do not have vanilla oil, you can go in with vanilla extract. And I'm gonna give that a good mix, and this is what it should look like. So raw pumpkin has natural enzyme that gets rid of layers of dead skin cells. This scrub smells amazing and makes my skin feeling extra soft and exfoliated. I like to keep this in the fridge once I'm done. Next, I'm going in with my body wash. This is the warm vanilla sugar from Bath & Body Works. I absolutely love this body wash I have been using this for this entire month, and you just need a tiny amount and it lathers up so well. Also, this smells divine. It's so warm and cozy kind of scent, and it's a little mature, so if you like more floral scents, you might take a while to like this one. It's like vanilla and brown sugar scent. I love the way it lathers. I love the scent. It's really an amazing body wash, so if you can, give it a try. Once I'm out of the shower, it's time for some skincare. I am quickly going to wash my face using a cleanser. I have been using this for a while now and I personally like it. Then I'm going in with a DIY face mask. For this DIY pumpkin face mask, I used 3 tablespoons pumpkin puree, 1 tablespoon honey, and then I went ahead with a tablespoon of kaolin clay and 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and I'm going to give that a good mix. So you should have something this way. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. While the pumpkin gets rid of dead skin cells, the kaolin clay pulls dirt and other impurities from the pores for clearer looking skin. Going in with a lip scrub now. Again, this is a DIY. It's really simple. I went in with 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon pumpkin spice, and a tablespoon of honey. And then I combined all of it together. I used an empty jar, and that's all you have to do for this DIY pumpkin spice lip scrub. This helps to exfoliate my lips so well, and this lip scrub will last you for a good 3 weeks as long as you store it in the fridge. So once the mask is off, I am going in with the Sunjung's Moist Relief All-in-One Gel. So this is basically 3-in-1 gel. This is an amazing gel for all skin types, and this has been my favorite currently. It leaves my skin feeling so calm. It really soothes my skin. And then I'm going in to seal in the moisture using the ColourPower's dry oil. Going in with a deodorant, so I got this Plum's Vanilla Vibes Spit Cream. I have been using this for some time now and I like it, so I scoop this out and rub it in my hand and then I apply it. I just wish it was simpler. This smells really good. It has no alcohol and aluminium, which is a bonus. Moving on to body care, the body lotion I love these days is Magic in the Air from Bath & Body Works. It smells delicious. It's a lighter version of warm vanilla sugar. It smells like coconut vanilla and pairs up perfectly for this routine. I am going ahead and pairing it up with the body mist in the same range, and it has the same scent. It's so good. Also, if you guys want to try out just one DIY from this entire video, I would highly recommend you guys to try out the DIY body scrub because it left my skin feeling so soft and smooth, and I did not actually expect something this way from a homemade body scrub, but it actually works. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know your thoughts and how your skin felt in the comments down below. And pretty much that is it for my fall pamper routine, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.